Hello, creative mind. Welcome home. I'm Survival. In the previous classes, I introduced you to the PixelLab app. I showed you how you can make simple and basic design on the app. Today, we'll be going a little bit advanced on the app. I'll show you how you can make 3D wall mockup on the design. So let's get to work. Open up the app. So when you open up the app, I want to add an image, so I'll be using this to add an image. This is it, this plus icon here. Okay, I'll click on it from gallery. So this is the logo. Okay, I'll reduce the size a bit. But before I proceed with this design, I think the size of my canvas is something I'm not comfortable with. I'll want to reset it. This is where I will go. Okay, I'll click on the three dots, click on image size. I want the height to be 900. I'm okay with that. I'll click OK. So this is it. The next thing I want to do is to write my company name. I'll go to text. I'll add text, click on edit, and then we'll write my company name, Survivals Creativity. Survivals Creativity. I'll click OK. I'll position it here. I want to change the font to something thick. I'll use this arm wrestler. Okay, I think I'm okay with it. I'll click OK. So the next thing I'll put beneath to be, let me delete this. The next thing I'll put beneath to be services. I'll edit it. I'll write our services. Okay. I'll bring it down. So I'll list our services. Okay, I think we are into web design. Okay, I'll add text again. Edit. We are also into graphics design. Okay, the next one will be video production. I'll edit video production. Okay, now to add text, make sure you are clicking outside you are clicking on a blank space. The way I'm selecting video production now, with this I cannot add text, I can only delete. But once I click outside, I will be able to add text. Make sure you are in the alphabet section. So I will edit it and then write training. Okay, that is what we are into. So I'll put in my contact details. I'll add text, edit, contact details. Plus 234, that's my number, 2348106829388 +2348106829388. Okay. The next one, I'll add my website, survivalscreativity.com. So that is it. Okay, the next thing I want to do is this. I want to reduce the size of all these texts. They are too big. I want to reduce them a bit. Okay, I'll start with this. I'll go to size. I want it to be 50. 50. Okay, I'll go to the next one. Size. I'll reduce it to 50. Okay, this one I'll reduce it to 50. I'll reduce it to 50. Okay, I'll also reduce this one to 50. I'll reduce this to 50. I'll reduce this one to 50. Okay, services, I'll reduce it to 50. Okay, think something like this. Okay, let me place all this in the middle. I want to increase my logo a little bit, just a bit, something like this. I want to place it in the middle. I'll go to relative position, push it to the middle. My text, survivor's creativity, I also push it to the middle. It's already set to the middle. Services, I want it to come down a bit. Okay, I can now set all these things now. Graphics design, web design, training, video production, training. I'm having a big challenge moving this training because it's too small. Okay, I think something like this then. Service, I'll move it to the center. Okay, it's already there. My phone number, I'll move it to the middle. Okay, my website, I'll move it to the middle. I think I already have a nice design. So I'll remove the grid here. I want to bring down the service a little bit, services a little bit. I'll bring down this one a little bit. I will increase this one a bit. I think something like this is okay. So let me make sure they are all set in the middle. Sorry, relative position middle. This one, make sure it's still in the middle. Services, make sure it's still in the middle. Phone number, middle, middle. Okay. I think I like what I'm having here. So the next thing I'll be doing here now is to work on the colors. Okay, let me change the color of my phone number because they cannot all be plain white. I think I like this. Okay, let me change the color of my website. I think I like this. Let me change the color of services, though it will have to be a different color. I think I like what I'm seeing there. So having done that, the next thing I will need to do now is to merge all these layers. I'll merge all these layers. I'm trying to make a way that what I'm trying to achieve here is this. I want these services to have a white shadow because it's a dark color. If I merge it together with other layers will appear nice, having this having a shadow, a dark shadow, but these services will not look well. So what will happen is this. I think I know what to do. I'll add stroke to service. I'll add a white stroke to services. Let me look for a stroke. I think that will make it look better. I'll add a white stroke to it. I'll reduce it to 2. I think 2 is okay. 2 is okay. So now with this, I will merge all the layers and proceed with my design. So I've merged all the layers. I'll go to 3D. I'll go to 3D shape. I will enable it. Okay, I will reduce it to -1. Okay, nothing else. I will remove this. I will disable this stimulate lightning. Okay, so I will go to shadow. I will enable shadow. Okay, I will reduce it to 6. Then offset -2 for x and y -2. So I think I already have a good design here. So with this now, the next thing I will need to do is this, to put something on the background. I'll use this icon, this plus icon here, to add an image to the background. I'll click on the image, then click on. So I'll increase the size of this image. And place it this way. I will send it to back. Okay, so the next thing I will need to do is to rotate this image. I will be rotating the y-axis. So that's it. The next thing I'll do now is this, to save this image. I'll click on this, click on export image, and then I'll be exporting the image as a JPEG. That's it, save to gallery. So with that, I have my design. So that is how you can make your 3D wall logo mockup on PixelLab app. In the next class, I'll show you how you can achieve this same thing online using the photo peer. Is it photo peer or photo? I don't know how to pronounce it. So I'll be showing you that in the next class. Meanwhile, ensure you save your image, and not just that, also use this to save this so that you can always come back to it to edit it if there is need for that. Save it as a project. I will call it 3D wall mockup tutorial. 3D wall mockup tutorial. So that is it. See you next class. God bless you.